For the factory Ford Explorer wheel rims, the wheel width is smaller than the aftermarket 4x4 wheels. When there is an increase in wheel width and a lack of backspacing, the Ford Explorer wheel spacer can be used to adjust the offset and increase the backspacing.
If you replace a set of aftermarket wheels with the inaccurate center hole data, there will be vibration at high speed. In this case, installing BONOSS wheel spacers can effectively stop the rubbing issue.
Ford Explorer wheel spacer
To allow a larger wheel and tire to be fitted without rubbing, by creating clearance to inter-wheel rear wheel components. This can prevent the tires from rubbing against fender flares or suspension components when making turns or hitting bumps. As long as you use high-quality wheel spacers and install them properly, they are very safe and reliable for vehicle. Wheel spacer adjusts the automobile accessories that install between the hub assembly and the wheel. The wheel locks apply a clamping force to secure the spacer and the wheel to the vehicle hub. BONOSS Ford active cooling wheel spacers come with multi-stage Hub-Centric rings. This Hub-Centric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers and the beavers perfectly fit the corresponding hub set. This design is effective in eliminating the vibration of the wheels. If we are investing in new offset wheels, then a set of wheel spacer would be perfect for those wheels. By pushing the wheels outward, wheel spacer provides improved stability and better appearance. The wider track gives you better control on the road. BONOSS aluminum wheel spacers are made of virgin process, have higher strength, and are more suitable for driving in different environments, reducing the issue of spacer failure. Meanwhile, the aluminum wheel spacers are much lighter than steel ones, which effectively ensures driving safety. Modern CNC machining by 0.02 mm tolerance. If you need any help with wheel spacer selections, please leave the comments below.